guys, okay, so I had some problems with I was making the liquid soap, and the video is up, and apparently my liquid soap, silly, I actually made a very liquidy cream soap. So this is what happened. I did use a new lye calculator for a cream soap. I usually use another calculator for soap, and basically what it is, instead of me getting liquid soap, I got some kind of creamy liquid soap. So I'm going to use this to my advantage, and yeah, I'm going to use this because it's really a nice creaminess to it. And just add some fragrance in there. Oops. I'm using my little frothy thing here. Okay. And I'm adding some fragrance in here. Ooh. It's very citrusy. There's a lot of orange juice, fresh